When it comes to following a great diet or diet-based food, the biggest challenge is that it takes a lot of time to prepare and you end up not doing it. So we are coming up with a lot of recipes which are really take some time, and you can prepare in about few minutes. So let's go.
Hi guys, today we're going to be doing sweet and sour prawns. It's easy recipe, simple and really yummy to taste. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, we're going to add sesame oil. That's about 1 tablespoon. Next, we're going to add shrimp to it. That's prawns. These have already been cleansed. I'm going to add some rock salt. Some black pepper powder. Next, about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And now, I'm going to toast the same. Now, once they are slightly golden, I'm going to add red bell pepper and some asparagus. And our asparagus and prawns are done. They look so delicious. Thank you for watching, and request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on nutrition, training, that's TTLJ, and Mex Core Pilates. So everything you require about fitness on one platform, that's Body Pro Coach.
Alright guys, so make sure that when you go to the playlist, you want to go through the playlist completely, that you have all those things that you need to get fit. One more very special thing is about we've got some kids series, okay? And that's going to be something that you can do with your family, and the meal plans, everything is completely focusing on making you fit, at the same time letting you eat some really cool food. Thank you so much. We're looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.